First call, spring awakens, healing us all. The thaw comes gentle, cracking winter's hold. Rivers single green and stories retold. Buds peek shyly from branches bare and old, unfurling hope in colors bold. The air hums with life's returning fire, washing clean the frost of desire. Dance in the morning light. Seeds buried deep now break through the clay, mirroring souls finding their way. Energy surges like sap in the vein, therapy in the bloom after rain. Spring's blooming soul, renew my core. Let your vitality open every door. In your rebirth I find my grace. Joy in the flower, peace in the space, satisfaction in the cycle's turn. Healed by spring, lessons I learned. Orchards whisper of fruits yet to bear. Birds weave nests with feathers so fair. The sun climbs higher, kissing the dew, mending the fractures we never knew. Four seasons wheel turns with tender might, guiding the heart through the soft daylight. Wild vines climb in exuberant play, echoing the spirit's own array. In this awakening time loses its chain, universe promise in every vein. Renewal flows like a cosmic stream, filling the void with a verdant dream. Through Earth's core, galaxies see their light. Spring's echo in the stars' endless flight. Align your bloom with the eternal right. Soul renewed in spring's tender hold. Joy eternal in green stories told. Peace in the petals and